Hello people, Hamza here and welcome back to the channel. Now in this video, I'm going to show you a simple and an exciting way that you can use to update or upgrade your themes and plugins in your website without necessarily having to uninstall an existing plugin or actually breaking down your website. Now let's dive straight in and see how this works like. So to get started, I am going to install an older version of Yoast SEO, and later I'll also install a newer version of Yoast, and then you'll see the error that by default WordPress brings you. And then after, I'll install this plugin called Easy Theme and Plugin Updates, and then we'll install a newer version of Yoast that will automatically replace the older version of Yoast. So let's get started by adding a new plugin over here. Upload the plugin, choose the plugin, choose over here, then I'll install. Simply activate. Now we have Yoast SEO version 11.6. Now what I'm going to do is I'm now going to install the unupdated version of Yoast. I'll upload, and the updated version I have is version 13, and then I'll install, and boom, this is the error that we get when we try to update a plugin that already exists in our plugin directory, and that means that the installation will fail. Okay, now when I go back to plugins, you realize that our plugin has not yet updated. Now what we need to do is very simple. We are going to go back to plugins, and before we go back to plugins, now if we really want to update this plugin without the other way that I'm going to show you, that means we simply have to deactivate this plugin, uninstall it, and then we install the updated version. Without doing that, we are going to use the new version of the plugin called Easy Theme and Plugin Updates or Upgrades. I'm going to simply search it over here and I'll install it. At the moment it has over 100,000 active installations. I activate it, and boom, now it's activated. And we still have our Yoast version 11.6. Now what I'm going to do is to add a new plugin, upload the plugin, and I'm going to upload the newer version, which is version 13, and I'll install. Once it's installed, simply activate the plugin, and boom, now we have updated to version 13.0 without any issues, because now this plugin has enabled us to replace the older version of Yoast, and then we are in position to have the newer version installed without any errors. Now the other beauty about this plugin is that it will leave the older version or the previous version of the plugin that you have in your media library. By coming over here to the media library, you realize that we have the older version of this plugin, which is 11.0. Okay, now in case you want to replace, or in case you fell into errors, then you can simply download this plugin once again and have it back on your computer. At the moment I don't want to have it, but you simply just click over here view so that you can access the link, and you automatically download the older version of that plugin and you are good to go. Otherwise, that's how you can upgrade or update your themes and plugins using the Easy Theme and Plugin Upgrades for free. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope now you have an idea of how you can easily upgrade your plugins or themes without basically or having to break down your website or having to uninstall a plugin. I hope you found this tutorial of value to you. Now, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new other tutorials that I'm going to be pushing out. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also a comment if it brought you value. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.